Hi, Ace here at feedace.com. Thank you for coming today to talk about walking sticks or trekking poles. I want to talk to you about why we have the best. So, hopefully, first and foremost, you have an arch support, a great arch support from feedace.com in your shoes. You've now got a great walking or running shoe from feedace.com. Now it's time to enhance our workout. What are walking sticks and Nordic walking poles or trekking or hiking poles all about? Well, I've gone out and found what I believe is the #1 pole on the market. And I'll tell you a few of the reasons why. First and foremost, this pole is made for everybody, whether you're 5'2" or 6'4". You literally adjust it, twist and turn. It's telescopic. On the base, we got these wonderful little rubber tips. So if you're walking on concrete, tile, or asphalt, you're now walking with a rubber tip to get the maximum traction that we can. Very easily, you just pull the rubber tip off, and now you see a very hardened tungsten tip that's going to work extremely well on trails and for hiking in the mountains, therefore trekking pole. It's got this little basket at the bottom to keep the pole from going through the dirt or the mud or the gravel when you're on trails and hiking. You can actually order a snow basket for these if you want to use these for snowshoeing or skiing in the winter months. So it's adjustable. It's got great tips and adjustability on the bottom, but the grip itself, one of the best ones on the market. Not only is it comfortable and soft, but it's got a strapping system that's better than any that I've found on the market. So it's got a neoprene type cover. You slide your thumb through it and adjust the strap. It's all Velcro, so it's very easily adjustable. The top is even adjustable how far you pull it up. So if you have a big hand, it'll fit it there. If you have a small hand, you just pull it up, slide that down, and adjust it. Very comfortable walking sticks, trekking poles, hiking poles. Buy ours at feedace.com and compare to some of the other best brands on the market. For less than $100, you can get this pole. I'll ship it to you for free, and you're going to have a great time with it. Now, who's this good for? My mother, who's getting up there in her years, uses these every morning on her morning walk for additional balance. It also works some of her core muscles in the upper body, so now we're using our upper body to propel ourselves forward. Also, my mother-in-law, Dee, hi Dee, uses these. She just had a hip replacement last week, so she can barely get around. So as we move her from walker to using something else, she will use her Nordic walking poles. So she will almost use them as she would 2 canes for additional support. For any of you that might actually use a cane, I don't like a cane because we're leaning on one side of our body and wrenching our back. If you're using Nordic walking poles, 1 in each hand, now you're going to be upright and stable. So who else? If you want a better workout when you're out walking, these will help you burn upwards of 46% more calories because you're going to be working your core muscles in addition to your legs when you're out walking. By the way, you won't be walking any further or faster. You're just going to be using your Nordic walking poles appropriately. So watch the video on that, on how to actually use these. I actually used these poles a week ago when we were up on a Colorado 14er on Red Cloud. What I really like about them for trekking is that they're so easy to adjust. So on my way up the hill, I shortened them up a little bit as I'm climbing, and then on the way down, I lengthen them way out, longer than I would normally walking, so that when I'm coming down the hill, I'm absorbing more shock with my upper body before it's so hard on my knees. Of course, I all had on good hiking boots with my arch supports in them for additional comfort, but when you need a stick, a Nordic walking pole, a walking stick, a trekking pole, a hiking pole, these are multi-purpose, fabulous product. I guarantee you're going to be extremely happy with them. So thanks for shopping at feedace.com. If you have any questions, call us at our toll-free number or send me an email at askace@feedace.com. Thank you.